With my friend here.
Go bring the red spoon.
Oh yeah, sure. I'm gonna go get it. Tutti frutti. Okay, so anyway, we're here with Savage Boy and my friend. So pretty much we're gonna do that experiment.
I don't know if it'll work though. I don't know how to do this part. Not for long.
Do I stick it in? I think so. Stick the toxic in.
Okay. I don't know how to do it.
I'm starting to cough already.
Hey,
Guys, I think I'm coughing right now.
Chill out. How do you think you're coughing?
Oh yeah, I'm coughing. Never mind.
Crap, I touched it.
I'm burping.
So anyways, let's start. Look! Put it in.
It's trash.
That's how a volcano erupts, kids.
You can see that. Like you can see smoke coming out of it.
Oh yeah. Imagine that was you right there. You would have been dead. How long is this gonna take?
Maybe about an hour.
Oh jeez.
Oh, so cool.
I finished. Yeah, that looks like blood. Ew.
It smells like crap out here.
Really?
Yeah.
You're dumping more blood?
Oh, get on me. I'm just
It's
saying.
not gonna hurt though.
We're just testing out song. We just filmed these. What's
Wow,
song?
most of it's
Have
already
you guys ever heard this
wasted.
song?
What song?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that one.
Blast.
It's like squirting blood to somebody's heart.
Alright, I'm done.
Demon ran out. I thought you said it would take a freaking hour.
Okay, well, one of us be savage and touch it. Ow!
Cool. Oh.
It said not to touch.
Oh, never mind. It's gonna cause skin burn, actually.
Oh yeah, that caused skin burn. Wow, okay, let me see. Put it in there.
Oh gosh, look.
Where's it at? Put it more. Where's it at? You can't really see it.
Too much light.
Oh yeah, guys, look at that. It caused a skin burn.
Yep. Oh, I don't even feel. Oh god. Causing a skin burn, everybody.
Said not to touch it.
Well, it was worth it for these YouTubers.
Should I stop the video?
Okay, I
Oh,
guess.
it's still playing.
So, anyways,
Subscribe to Savage Boy.
bye. Subscribe to me, like my video, and all, and watch my vids.
Good night.
Bye.